Hey there, sunshine! I am so excited because I had a couple of you guys DM me and ask me to do an unboxing of a subscription box called Forever Youthful, and after looking into it, I was like, heck yes, because I feel like so many of us could benefit from this box. So basically, Forever Youthful is a box that's targeted towards teenagers who are looking to experiment in beauty and makeup. This is $25.50 every 2 months to get a box, and it is promised you'll get 6 items in every box. I don't know if it's 6 plus or exactly 6 items in each box, but I feel like this is a great box not only for teenagers who are looking to experiment, but I mean, beauty and makeup doesn't have a certain age. So if you're 50, if you're 90 and you're looking to get started into playing around with makeup and experimenting, I feel like this might be a good box to like look into. I've never seen an unboxing, I've never read any reviews or anything, so you guys like were experiencing this together. So I'm really excited to get into this box. It's very heavy for being a small box. So opening it up, here's everything that's inside. Oh my goodness. This thing is jam-packed. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a great unboxing, I hope. Because the first thing that I'm seeing is from Maybelline, so that gives me hope that we're gonna get some good makeup in here. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is this Maybelline Superstay 14-hour lipstick. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I didn't wear a lot of makeup. I just have lashes on and my foundation. But here is the first thing that I'm pulling out is this lipstick. Here's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like fine glitter in this lipstick. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing that we got is a lipstick from Maybelline, and Maybelline's not like a cheap drugstore brand either. I mean, they're cheaper than like other brands out there, but in my personal opinion, like Wet n Wild's really cheap, and like Maybelline and Revlon and CoverGirl are kind of all in the same like box when it comes to pricing for drugstore products, and in my personal opinion, they're more up there in pricing. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand because I want you guys to be able to see the true color, because I am wearing chapstick and I don't want that to mess with the formula. It's coming off a little patchy, but I mean, for a beginner, for somebody experimenting with something, this isn't bad. This is a very shiny lipstick. It feels like very, it feels very soft. And it smells really good. It smells like cherries, guys. Oh my gosh. This smells so amazing. Why have I never heard? Have any of you guys ever heard of this lipstick before? I've never heard of this. I didn't even know Maybelline even made this. What shade is this? This is shade Enduring Ruby. So that's a very pretty color, and I love the scent of this. And for being a beginner, like, I mean, I'm looking for like hardcore, like dead on perfect pigmentation every single time, but this is a brand new tube of lipstick. I mean, like, and like after a couple swatches, I was able to get this color payoff, which isn't bad. So for that being our first product, I have really high hopes. I'm really excited to get into the rest of this box, so I'm gonna shut up and keep going. The second thing that I'm pulling out is this wrapped item. Oh my gosh, it's 2 more lip products. Okay. So, okay, wait, the first one is from Maybelline, and it's this pretty tube of lipstick, and then this is from Cargo, and this looks like a lip gloss. So I think the first one I'm going to swatch is this Maybelline lipstick, and I think what's really exciting is that they all have protective like labels or something over it. So I know I'm not getting somebody's like used makeup, which was a concern of mine, because I'm like, I know there are some people out there that are literally just looking to like rip you off for your money. So I'm really excited that I was able to get like all of these so far out of the 3, that they're all covered with the protective manufacturer seal. So I think this is some form of lip gloss. We got a doe foot applicator. Here we go. Yeah, this is just a nice sheer pink lip gloss. And then we have this one from Cargo, which I'm really excited about because it's like strawberry red with some, I didn't even smell the Maybelline one. We gotta go back and smell the Maybelline one. This one doesn't have really any smell, but it says really pretty like cherry strawberry red from Cargo. And here we are swatching that one. That's pretty too. This one's a little bit more glittery than the Maybelline one, and I love a glittery lip gloss. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so it says Australis Blush Bffs. It's duo. Like there's 2 in here, but I don't know if the one's a highlighter or if it's just a glittery blush. Okay. Oh my gosh, this box so far is freaking rocking, man. Oh wait, there's more protective stuff I gotta cut off. Okay, the case that this is in is literally so fancy. And it has like a brush underneath. So if you hear the rattling, it's because there's a brush underneath that I don't feel like accessing right now. But here are the two blush shades. This one has glitter in it and this one's just a matte blush. I'm gonna swatch both. This one reminds me of the a bit of the NARS Orgasm blush. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like on my fingers. Ooh, nice and buttery. Ooh. That's very pretty. I'm going to swatch the other one. Not as buttery feeling as the other blush. These are just going to go right here. So that's a very bright pink blush, but it has like some gold to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like got that gold shimmer to it. This is a nice blush. I think this would also make a great base for an eyeshadow. This would also make a great eyeshadow too. So both of these colors are really, really pretty. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, I don't know what this is. I don't know. This is like, is it a UFO? Just kidding. It says Inspirational Ornament for Desk, Room, Locker, etc. Hashtag BU. Oh, that's so cute. That's fun. Unexpected, definitely, but that's really fun. I said 6 items. Like, I looked up and it says that there are 6 items in a box. But I feel like there's so much more than 6 items in this box. We still have so much to go. So the next thing, it says, oh my gosh, Benefit Creaseless Cream Eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, is this actually from Benefit? Wait, Benefit. I don't know if that's the Benefit, because there's a brand that's like, it's like has a similar name to Benefit and it's at the dollar store. No, this is like Benefit as in like Benefit Poreless. Oh my gosh. It's got the logo on the bottom. Okay, so this is Birthday Suit. This is, what did she say it was? It was a creaseless. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to get my finger in there. Oh my gosh, I've never tried an eyeshadow cream from Benefit. This sucker's gonna go right here. I don't know if we can really see that. Can we see that? Oh, I need to get my hand in there more, and like my hand, I mean my finger. I need to get my finger in there more and really. Oh my gosh, that's a gorgeous color. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so here's what it looks like in the jar. It looks brown, but it's a really pretty like nude gold. It's shade Birthday Suit. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. It doesn't have a scent to it, but I mean, that's really like, that's a nice natural. And there's a lot, like this is really heavy. This is 3.2 grams. It's heavy. I mean, I've only ever tried one eyeshadow pot ever in my life, and that's from e.l.f. But this is really, really pretty. So the next thing that I'm pulling out, it says Forever Youthful subscription box, enjoy. It's a little, not a beauty blender, but a beauty sponge. Look at that. The next thing that I'm pulling out of this box is City Color Photo Chic Concealer Quad. Oh my goodness. This is in medium 2-1. So I think this, just looking at it, it looks like it's gonna be a little too dark for my skin. But that's okay. Actually, yeah, if I was a little bit tanner, this would be really great. However, that does not mean that I can't use this. I can use this if I'm looking to have like medium shades on my eyes. I can use these as a base if I'm looking to do more natural colors, or if I'm looking to deepen up some things on my eyes. So that is definitely what I would use this for. It has 3 creams and 1 powder. Oh, it's a little foil packet. Apply the gel with fingers. Apply evenly on nose. Wait for 15 to 20 minutes from top to down and gently tear off. Use the warm water to wipe clean. Oh, okay. This is all in a language. I don't know if it's Chinese or Japanese. So she has little stickers. There are little stickers on the back, front and back to explain what everything is. On the back, it says Bamboo Charcoal Anti-Blackhead Nose Pack Gel. The next thing that I have that I just unwrapped from that bubble wrap is Maybelline Color Show Holographic Nail Lacquer. This is a very interesting color. It's like a gold, but I can definitely see the hollow in it. I don't know if you guys can see. So we got a nail polish. My nails are chipping. Shh, don't tell me, but I know they are. It's really bad. I really need to redo them, and maybe I'll do them with this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can definitely see the hollow in here, and it's very mesmerizing. And I literally did not know Maybelline made this many products. Like, I knew Maybelline's like a really big drugstore brand, but I didn't know they had all of these like I don't know. I didn't even know that they made this. Oh my gosh, look at this purse charm, guys. It's a flamingo. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, please stay still, sir, so I could show everybody else. So we got a gemmed out flamingo with a little golden ball and a little gold and pink tassel. So the next thing I'm pulling out, I'm actually pulling out two things at once. Good wipes in my bag swag. Down there wipes. Okay, so we got two lady part wipes. I think that's really cool, especially to have like if you're in school and you're like, oh no, I just feel so gross after the gym, because like if you're in middle school or you're going into high school and you still have gym and you're all sweaty, I know that's not a fun feeling to have. And if you want to feel fresh, I mean, that's a really nice little additive in there. So I'm not mad about that at all. Next thing that I'm pulling out is good wipes in my bag swag. Your shower in a wipe, body wipes. Okay. So I'm just imagining myself as like middle school Elizabeth, and I'm just at a gym and we're not allowed to shower because the showers didn't work. I never had to take a public shower. So I got these if I'm like starting during my period and I just feel absolutely disgusting, which feels really nice. And I got this like after, or I'm just sweaty all around. I think that's really nice and thoughtful. I know it's not really makeup, but this box is targeted towards teenagers, and I think this is super, super thoughtful to have, because I know sometimes like just feeling gross can be like the last straw that you have when you're going through all the drama and all the stress and everything, and sometimes it makes you want to break down. But having this just as a little additive and be like, okay, somebody's got my back, I've got these in my bag, can maybe help make your day just a little bit better. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Miss Spa Hydrate Quench Dry Skin. One pre-treated facial sheet mask, paraben-free, fragrance-free, and artificial dye-free. So what is this supposed to help you do? Doing fresh isn't just for the morning. Restore that youthful suppleness. I don't know why I said suppleness. I can't say the word now. With my hydrating facial mask. It's rich infusion of moisturizers that instantly soothe and replenish even the dry skin so that you can be fresh as morning dew anytime. That's really nice. So a skin mask. So we do have a little bit of skincare and makeup in here, and makeup and skincare go hand in hand. If you don't take good care of your skin, you're not going to have a good makeup application. So really, it's so important to take care of your skin, especially when you're getting involved in beauty and taking care of it to help with breakouts and clogging pores and fine lines and early aging. Taking care of your skin while you're getting involved in beauty is so important. There's so many people out there that don't really emphasize that, but I'm a firm believer in it. So it's really nice to see a box that also has that same belief. At least from my opinion, that's what I'm getting, because there's not only beauty in here, but there's also skincare. And the last thing that I'm pulling out is a whole dang palette. Oh my gosh. So this is from Australis Strobe Lights Illuminating Powders. I freaking love this packaging. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm pulling it out of its bubble wraps. Oh my gosh. Why don't we have anything like this in Ulta? Why? This is literally so pretty. Oh my gosh, I've never seen packaging like this. That is literally, I just ran my finger across it and I ruined it. I wanted to say it's textured. That is literally so freaking pretty. I can't wait to open this up. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. We got 3 highlighters, guys, and a full-on mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna swatch. So the first one I'm swatching is this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Next we're going for the pink. Y'all. Oh my goodness gracious. I wish my camera would pick this up better. And then we have this orange one right here. Oh my goodness gracious. They're not super reflective on camera. And I'm gonna say that these aren't the most reflective highlighters I've ever seen in my entire life. However, they're not terrible. I have to say, I feel like the pink is definitely the most reflective out of all 3. And they're not terribly reflective. Like, they do still have some reflectiveness to them. And I'm sure if you put on some setting spray or put it on you like with a wet brush, they'd be a lot more reflective. That's an easy trick to get a little bit more glow out of your highlighter. For $25.20 every 2 months, I just got a trio of highlighting powders. 2 lady part wipes. A body part wipe. I got this cute little flamingo keychain. I got this blush duo. I got this pore strip. I got this concealer quad. I got a beauty sponge, a face mask, a nail polish from Maybelline that's holographic, this Inspirational doorknob hanger. Let's see if I can like bend it so you guys can see. This Inspirational doorknob hanger, which would also be really cute in a locker. I got a lip gloss from Cargo. I got a lipstick from Maybelline. I got a lip gloss from Maybelline. And I got this eyeshadow, what is this called? Why is this nominum that I'm having a brain fart? I got this eyeshadow thingy from Benefit. I can't remember the name of it. I got 16 items for $25.50. And I have to say, before I go into a full review, I have to say that I'm in a mindset where like I'm a teenager again and I'm pretending like I don't know a whole lot of makeup and I don't have a lot of money to be spending on makeup. With that said, in that mindset, I feel like this is a phenomenal box because it's $25. It's basically $25 every 2 months. So if you're working, even if you're working a part-time job, this is a nice little treat where you can get introduced to makeup without having to spend a whole lot of money. And not only getting makeup, you're also getting some skincare and a couple of cute decoration things, you know, that are fun and are like fun little extras. So I feel like for the $25, not only is it affordable and it's attainable for a teenager who's working a part-time job and still going to school, I also think that it's a great introduction for beginners in makeup because I mean like I got a highlighter trio, I got concealer, I got some lipsticks, I got an eyeshadow cream. Now I remember the name for it. So I got a little bit of something in each category, which I think is really interesting. And the colors that I did receive for the blush and for everything that I received, it's wearable. It's not something like Sephora Play or Ipsy where they're sending me bright purple lipstick that I don't want to wear out right under there. But here it's got the like sticker. And I mean, I've never seen this from Benefit before, but I'm not a huge Benefit fan. So that's my only concern is that this isn't real. However, with the rest of that said, I recognize Maybelline. I recognize City, I recognize City Color. So, I mean, there are some things in here from brands that I recognize. And I just think it's a little curious that it has this sticker that's not exactly placed evenly. And it doesn't say Benefit anywhere. I will do my research on that and I'll say in the description box whether I think it is or not. Because it doesn't have their website. It doesn't, I don't know. I'm a little suspicious about this. That's the only thing, though, that I'm suspicious about. And again, as a makeup beginner, I don't know if I would really, I didn't care. I know I didn't care if my makeup was real or not. And again, that's just because, like, I'm only pointing that out because I have experience in makeup and that's literally the only reason. If I was a beginner, I literally would not care. So what did you guys think of the Forever Youthful subscription box? I would love to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. What was a product that you really loved? What was a product you'd like to see in this box? What did you think? What was your overall opinion of this box? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video.